Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to talk about the software which is called SWOT. So in my previous videos I mentioned about the software, but the video was without the audio, so most of the questions were asked that how did you make a neuron, how did you join the streams. So in today's video we are going basically talk about the SWOT software, which is used for the design and modeling and simulation of sewage treatment plants. So this is my in the first part of the videos. Actually I will make this video into several segments. So the first segment I'm going to talk about the basic user interface of the software, how to add the streams and how to check the streams are connected or not. So this is our user interface. Okay, so in the when the software opens up, so this is like a black screen. Okay, and after starting, what we have to do is click on the file, and here if you have an open old work, say for example I have an open work, so I will open up this one. So this is going to open up the old save file. For example, if I want to open up a new work, so it is now I have to go assign a name. For example, I will assign this ASP, and then this is my window where I have to draw my objects. Then this is my options. In options we have, you can edit a new process, like style, what color you want, audit, legend, show names, build, diagnostic, enable maths, enable default start. In the tools we have batch, France, wizard. We also have a calculator. This is my calculator where you can do the calculations. The window also we have the title, horizontal or vertical, cascade, arrange icon, process toolbox. Already the process toolbox is on my right corner, and then we have the zoom, zoom out, zoom in, best fit, normal view. Usually we choose best fit. Now for example, I will pick an object here, then I would add a primary sedimentation tank, then I would add a secondary sedimentation tank. Okay, then let's add an outlet. Suppose this is my outlet. Now the first task is to join the streams. So this is my inlet and this is my outlet, and suppose I want to add sludge here, also the sludge here. Now we have to add these streams. So adding the streams, you will be dragging this, and this symbol should show on. Now how you are sure that it is added or not? So when you pull it this way or this way, so it tells you that your streams has been added. Similarly here, this is also added. Now how to check this is added or not? So we will go and then connection. So you can see this is connected, and also for this one shows you that this is connected, the inlet is connected and outlet is not, and the sludge stream is also connected. So to connect this, what we need to do is this is connected, you can check, so all are connected. So this is a very basic step after you have joined the streams and assigned the parameters to the objects. So this is not connected now. So if you right click here, shows delete stream, so we will delete the stream. Okay, now this is connected, you can check. So this is outlet is not connected, and even the recycle stream is not connected. still it is not connected, so we'll delete. And then we will connect these. This is connected now. Now let's check. So you can see all these streams are connected. Okay, now to check the names, so you can check the names. So some people don't know the names. Sometimes you want to find the objects, so it's difficult to find because the picture that we can see here, it shows in a very I mean uh, small size, and even you can delete, you can show names, hide names, rotate pictures also. So these are the names of the objects. And then in the window, usually if you see zoom in, zoom out, so you will say best fit. So this is the best fit. So in the first part we are going to stick only to the joining of the streams, the naming, connecting, and then in the next part of the videos we'll be talking about how to assign the properties, how to make a new run, how to do batch run, and how to see the the removal of for example BOD or COD from the whole process. Okay, so this was all about the usage of the SWOT software.